Calories, food, calories, healthy stuff, tons of vegetables, broccoli is my weight. Go take a walk, eating more healthier foods. My weight loss, I'm not gaining weight. Gaining weight. Eating better foods, weight loss. Binging, mukbang. Cut all your food in half and eat on a blue plate. Eat less. I'm not gaining any weight. About to eat. Dietitian, stop eating fast food. I know I am dying. Binge eating disorder, food addiction, grocery shopping, healthy food, eat, meal prepping, eat out, eating out for her birthday, eat. Oh my gosh, she's so fat. Food, birthday dinners, weighed myself, down 8 pounds, down 10 pounds, binge. I'm just like amazed with how much I could eat. I still keep eating. I literally can't get full. I need to feel full, feeling full, gain weight, highest weight, gained weight, gaining weight, new highest weights. Weight loss community thing, my weight journey, weight loss community. I weighed in at 556 on the dot. I'm gonna reach 600 pounds by Christmas. Cook at home. I've been eating out every day for months and months now. We all know this. So eating out, fast food, takeout, going to pick up food, dinner, 22 protein, 5 servings, 93% lean, 7% fat, 5 servings, mushrooms, 2.5 servings first meal, taste test, sweet muffin, mushroom, water, ice water, McDonald's mukbang, dinner, meals, eating healthier, eating at home, dietitian, fat girl, a lot of weight, over 300 pounds, counting calories, low calorie, home cooked, peas, dietitian, nutrition, diet, eating, food calorie count, healthy and whole food, weight loss, a bigger size, Weight Watchers foods, overeating, calorie minimum 2,500 to 3,000 calories, 0 points, lose weight. 2,500 to 3,000 calorie, dietitian, foods, eating, food diet, dietitian, weight loss YouTube channels, dietitian, diet, food, nutrition, diet, 2,400 calorie diet, Burger King, restaurants, counting calories, eat in moderation, fast food, restaurants, cooking at home, dietitian, go out to eat, calories, cheat days, go out to eat, calories, so I can eat whatever I want, dietitian, 3,000 calories a day, 2 pounds actual fat, lose weight, calorie counting app, MyFitnessPal, nutrients, MyFitnessPal, weigh myself, nutrition, eat, counting calories, eat what you want, counting calories, eating, my size, lose weight, 3,000 calories, my size, light walking, 50 pounds, weight loss, gain weight, large one meal, Fitbit, I burn 2,800 calories a day, literally doing nothing, hungry, chunk of weight, I didn't really count calories, restaurant food, more calories, 100 more calories, I do not exercise, Fitbit, peas, diet soda's a no, Crystal Light, diet soda, gain weight, diet soda makes you gain weight, blah blah blah, lol, Mexican food, hot fudge sundae, Burger King, McDonald's frap. Very horrible foods, fat, retained water, extra water, high sodium, Burger King, high sodium intake, mukbang, you're fat, you're gonna die. Yeah, I will lose weight for my health. Peas. I love going out to eat, my weight. I just wish like people in my real life cared more about helping me. Fat, this fat. Becky and I equally both need to lose weight. I'll be eating this board game, eating obviously Burger King, diet soda, cheesy tots, Dairy Queen, spicy sandwich, tomato, spaghetti, I'm hungry, dietitian, y'all, you're fat, dietitian, bedbound, 23 reasons I want to lose weight, I need to lose weight, I want to lose weight, it's my weight. I can't go on a plane with my weight. The person I am on the inside doesn't reflect the person I am on the outside. Health, weigh-in, mukbang. Your girl was going to be eating Subway chicken and a serving and a half of potatoes, 4,000 calories of complete junk. I had too much food on my plate. 551.6, 551 point something. Eating broccoli, eat less. My starting weight, my appetite, eat a Subway sandwich, go to McDonald's, going out to eat, kind of high in calorie. And I need 2 more meals throughout the day. Okay, I can have a little snack or I can have another meal, and I'm definitely eating less. The Subway did not make me gain weight. If I literally sat all day long and didn't do anything, my body just naturally would burn about 2,800 calories.
You said that already!
why? I'm gonna lose weight. It's that simple. Calorie deficiency. My Fitbit, walking, do more steps. I still eat out. Diet soda, takeout. I don't eat as much. Reese's, big Reese cups. I'm obsessed with Reese's. I have a sweet tooth. My sweet tooth will always be there. Ice cream, delicious chocolate, the Cheesecake Factory. Calorie counting. It's not working. Monday weigh-in. Panera bread. Healthier options. Obviously I can't just change overnight eating. Binge foods, super overeating, walking plan, 2,000 step plan, 2,000 steps. I am failing. Peas. Calories, 370 calories. Cornbread, 180 calories. Grilled chicken sandwich, bread, 30 calories. Grilled chicken, macaroni and cheese, broccoli. Diet Coke is just not for me. Weight Watchers, 6 pounds, not even pre-diabetic. 1,000 steps is 1,000 steps. Go on a treadmill, walk inside, walk outside. Walk outside, boo-boo, do your thing. Lifestyle change, cauliflower, rice, hash browns in the freezer. I lost 15 pounds and I wasn't even eating healthy. High fats, constant high fats. Breakfast, cheese, Weight Watcher points, 8 points. Sriracha is also 0 points. Cheese, take a bite. Weight loss update. I'm probably gonna have a Diet Coke, let's be real. Weight loss, weight gain, weight situation. I can lose weight. I'm down weight. I'm down 10 pounds. I'm down 20 pounds. I'm losing that weight. I lie about my weight. Weight Watchers eat healthier things. I weighed in a few days ago at 545 and Becky weighed in at 289. Starting weight. Weight Watchers dinner. Ben and Jerry. McDonald's. The weight gain is for real. I don't know how to lose weight anymore. Like I literally don't know what to do anymore. Like my channel is not just a weight loss channel. Like we've all discovered this. It's like a weight gain. Peas.